Stacy Cook here at Northway Ford Lincoln, and today we're just really demoing a 2018 Lincoln MKC. And all of these Lincolns have all-wheel drive, but really a lot of people want to say, how can I see it? How do I know when all-wheel drive is involved? Okay, so you're going to do that from the settings menu, and how you do it is you're going to press the OK button, and as you see, we're going to go to driver assist, press OK, and we're going to go down to intelligent all-wheel drive. Then we're going to press this left-hand button here as it shows. And voila. When you're driving, these little buttons here, these little lights will showing what wheels have what traction going to them. Right? It's just a peace of mind thing, so you can have a look knowing that the all-wheel drive vehicle that you bought is actually it. Stay tuned for more videos from Northway Ford and Stacy Cook. Talk to you soon.